Turning your engine 12J100. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Put the salon altimeter without any damage. Same as well like on this side. Everything nice. Starter no broken, as you can see. All pipes inside looks good. Same as well like a gearbox. Everything nice. And on this side, engine's looking good. Compressor on a good conditions, as you can see. Starter no broken. Engine's turbo turn. On the top, all connectors without any damage. And on the bottom, all some without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 12J100.